ADP Employee Registration Tutorial. To register for ADP, employees typically need a registration code from their company's HR or payroll department. The registration process involves verifying identity, creating a user ID and password, setting security questions, and providing contact information. So what you can do for this is you can go to your browser and type in ADP employee registration. You'll find the first link from ADP themselves, which is ADP portal and ADP self-service portal for login and support. You just tap on this particular link and here you'll find different options. There you can see employee registration or administrative registration or other different options. So depending upon what you're trying to look for employee registration over here, right? You'll find for first-time users, you can register here to start the registration process. So you can tap on that particular link under employee registration if you're trying to register as an employee, and after that you can pretty much follow all of the other self-explanatory stuff, and once done you'll be able to register for your ADP employee account. That's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.